Hi, developer here. This looks like a normal game of Cuphead, right? Well, this game of Cuphead is actually being controlled by an AI. The footage on the left is what we as the players typically see, and if you look at the right side, this is what the AI is seeing. The AI was trained to recognize objects within the game of Cuphead and execute actions upon recognition. Each object within the game is given a label alongside a percentage of how confident the program is for detecting each object. In order for object detection to occur, we needed to classify and label hundreds of images of gameplay of Cuphead vs. Maria in order to train our neural network. After classification is completed, the process to train our neural network began. We utilized Python and Tensorflow GPU in order to achieve this. After a few hours of training, you should have a machine learning model that should hopefully start to recognize objects within the game. Once I was able to see successful object detection, I began to program the logic for executing actions upon recognition. Here's some extra footage of how Cuphead's logic needed to be tweaked each time in order to effectively beat Maria. As you can see, not all runs were actually successful. There are a lot of improvements that could still be made to the logic, including getting the accuracy of object detection higher by classifying even more images and tweaking the learning algorithm. This last run nearly failed at the ending, where Cuphead takes a few hits of damage and almost dies. Luckily, the AI did pretty well in the beginning to avoid most damage, so Cuphead was able to absorb a few hits at the ending. This video was heavily inspired by Seth Bling's Mar.io creation and Centex's object detection inside of Grand Theft Auto. I'll leave the links to those videos below, as I highly recommend watching those. I learned a lot from making this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. See you in the next one.